It's Mr. Gribbo. I'm going to show you how to increase the size of the text so it fills up this text box bigger or better. One of the first things I want to talk about is over here to the right side of your screen, you have these like add-ons, these side panels. You don't need them. I mean, you can always show it if you need to, but most likely as a student, you won't need to. One other thing is right here underneath our menu, we have like a sub menu with some different options. And these options change depending on what we're clicked on inside Google Slides. If you don't see this, you probably need to click this little caret over here to the right. That gives us all of these different menus. So this is really helpful that way you can kind of see all the different options. All right, so let's increase the size of the text so it mostly fills the box. There's a handful of ways to do this. One of the easiest and the most effective ways is to click on the text box. You see that I clicked on it, and then you can increase the font size. You can also hold Control Shift plus, and that will also increase the text size. Didn't want to work for me. So if you just click on this and then you click on the plus, it will increase the size of the font inside that box. You can also type in a size. Now, 96, of course, that's absurd. That's not it. So 30, okay, kind of gives you a rough idea, and then you can increase from there. Like it's looking like, all right, 43, somewhere around there. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and make this smaller for you, just so I can show you more. Now, another way that you can change the text size is you can click at the end or at the beginning and then highlight the sentence. Once it's highlighted blue, you can change the font size, you can change the font color, you can change, the font type, whichever you would like. If you are like to use the keyboard more than the mouse, you can go into the beginning or end of the sentence and hold shift and then use the arrow keys to press up, down, or left, right, and it will highlight it. And then you can change the font size so it's appropriate for whatever your task is. One of the nice things too that I want to talk about is if you want to change just one word in a sentence, imagine like a feature, you want it bold, like a vocabulary word or something like that. You can, let's say I want to increase the size of this word text. You can go to the beginning, hold shift, use the arrow keys to highlight it. You can also quickly double left click on the mouse and highlight just the word, and then you can make that bold. We can make that font size 70, or whatever, so it stands out a little bit more. So this is the way that you can increase the size of a text to fit a text box or whatever you need in Google Slides. I hope this video helped you. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.